This is more on that 2005 freestyle transmission. I was telling you about what water antifreeze can do when it get into the transmission. So there are people who still feel that they can flush the transmission out. Let me show you some things here. These are some of the clutches. If you look here, you start to see it starting to peel away right here. So if you flush this, you wouldn't have flushed that away. Also, this accumulator piston, which it goes on the side here, I took this out. Let me let you see the spring. Do you see that starting to rust? Right there. Oil doesn't make spring rust. Okay? That's water mixing inside there. So once again, if you start to see that happen, I told you it's best to either throw that transmission, let me see, here's another part of it. There's rust on there, on the piston. Okay, this is what water does. Again, like I say, you'll smell it. You either put a used one in, a good used one, or you completely rebuild it, or throw the whole transmission away. Whatever you need to do. But do not reuse it. Do not try to flush it. You may say, oh, well, maybe I just caught it. Okay, if you figure you just caught it, it's up to you. But when I see this, then it's time to get rid of it. Okay, but I'm just breaking some of this down, showing you some of these parts here. And if I see any more, then I'll let you see what is happening inside. Alright, this is what I was looking for. And now you get a chance to see what this antifreeze or water will do. Here's the band, okay? And here is the band material. That band material is held by glue onto the band, the friction material. When that water or antifreeze get inside, it will make it peel off. Now clutches do the same thing. I didn't see the clutches do it, but I wouldn't trust them. But here you get a chance to see what it did with the band. Okay, so you had to go all the way down. I was looking for this so I could show you this. So you do not want to take a chance on a transmission that has water antifreeze in there. It makes them peel off. I've seen this happen many times, and we've had the issue where we've tried it and end up having to take that whole transmission out. Okay, so again, this is what I wanted you to see. I was waiting to get to this. You know, the clutches will peel off, the band material will peel off.